y'all, it's your friend Jamie. Welcome to my new guest bathroom. Well, it's also my girls' bathroom. Today we're going to do a little move-in makeover, just using the things that we already have. We're not going to paint. We might do a little caulking, a little repair. But this is our brand new, to us, mobile home bathroom. And I want to clean this sucker up. I want to give it some life, give it some energy, give it some color, and still have all the things in it that the kids need. Ooh, look at that. This is where the repairs come in. Little caulk goes a whole long way. Oh my gosh. The previous owners painted this bathroom a lovely shade of gray. The cabinetry is white to match the fixtures. And they put up some, but not all of the moldings, especially around behind the toilet there. That doesn't have moldings yet, but we've got it. It's just going to take a while to get all the little things done in this house. We're going to start, though, with reattaching the tub wall to the wall. And then we'll apply some caulking, and that will make us watertight. Now let's do a little scrub-a-dub-dub and get this place truly cleaned up. This mirror, it's just a stock mirror. Again, these are things that we're going to change down the road, but we're just working with what we have today. Woohoo! Oh, I am not going to clean the inside of this toilet with y'all having to watch that. That's just too much. So we're going to give this little baby a wipe down really good. Woo and hoo. I wish that I could get down on the floor and clean behind it better. But yeah, the old knees just don't allow that. Now the caulk that we're going to use comes from Dollar Tree, just $1.25. You snip off the end and you can use it applying a steady pressure, just like you're icing a cake. Just pretend you're writing a happy birthday and running your finger through it. Well, I once had a little girl at church just come up to me in awe and say, "Wow, angels love you." And I said, "Excuse me? What do you mean?" And she said, "Look at all your angel kisses." Yes, I am a very freckled girl. Now this caulking was no joke. It was really my first time to do this, and I was a little bit messy with it. This is a basket of decor that I had, of things I've made and collected and thrifted. You are my sunshine. I painted this years ago. The sweetest thing. I've always sang it to my babies. Hello, Moth. This is my daughter's cat, Moth, M-O-T-H-E-S, and he's going to be, I guess, my helper today. Now, some of these things I'm pulling out, I garage sale. Nothing that I pull out is over $5 that I paid for it. I made that cow head. I was given this sign. There's so many little imperfections and nail holes already in the wall. I think a towel bar should have been there. I'm really not an expert on hanging this stuff up. I just kind of go with the flow. Well, this looks good there. This looks good here. Suck it up, Buttercup. That's kind of our family motto right there. There's some nail holes. There's some screw holes. Sometimes I pull out a thumbtack and hang stuff on that. Sometimes I screw it directly into the wall. You just never know whatever's there is there. Whatever happens, happens. This already had a nail attached. I just pushed it in. Not the proper way to do things again, but it worked. Oh, hello, Miss McKenna. This is McKenna's bathroom. She's come to inspect and check out Mr. Moth. Don't be a lady, be a legend. This is from the Junk Gypsies. I did spend actual money on this. This was like $20 at Buc-ee's. Have you been to Buc-ee's? Oh my goodness. I could buy out Buc-ee's if I were a millionaire. You're probably asking yourself, what's up with the skull? But I love Day of the Dead, Dias de los Muertos. This sign I got at a garage sale. I think it was $2. And we'll just take this little burlap ribbon off of it. I repainted it a little bit. And I think it looks pretty smoking. Now let's turn our attention to this side of the room. That cabinet, it just seems like something should be up there. I don't know what should be up there. I don't want to put a plant up there because there's not a light. Plants, just like us, have to have a little bit of sunshine. Gonna have to brainstorm that. I don't really want to put a silk plant up there because I already have silk plants to put on this shelf. And that's a lot of dust. And yeah, we don't need any dust catchers. Now, we're going to put back a little bit of their pretties, little stuff there, little tchotchkes. There's a cute little candle. This candle came from Aldi's during their fall candles. And I have to say, their fall candles in the jar were like $3.99. And I probably bought a dozen of them. And we use them a little at a time. And they had the best scents. Like this one is pear. It's not just like pumpkin. Got the essentials coming on in. Got their bath products and stuff coming in. Oh, this shower curtain. My sister bought me this shower curtain because, you know, she's awesome. My sister Judy from Ayers Mini Farm. She's also going to be coming to join us later to teach me how to cook because obviously I don't know how. Oh, Moth is coming back in to inspect. He's like, why are you covering up the tub? This is my tub. Oh, don't you just love the color? There's lots of color. These towels were kitchen towels that I got at Hobby Lobby last year in this spring and summer stuff. I can't remember which it was, but I think it was spring. This rug I got at Goodwill, $5. I was so happy. I also spent $5 on this little cabinet. I put a toilet paper holder on the side. Got it at a garage sale from my friend Cindy. Ooh, what are we putting in here now? A puffer. Gotta have a scrubby puffer. Gotta have a little soap. Adjust. Oh, look at it. Isn't it so pretty? Look at all the color. I love color. I love farmhouse and the white. But white makes me nervous, one. And two, I couldn't just have white. I have to have colors. Now, see that little cross down there? I made that. That's got an actual goat skull with goat horns. Pretty cool. Got it from an old man that was a goat farmer. Literally an old goat farmer. Ha! I think I might have found a solution. An old suitcase. I like the yellow of it. Now let's have our aha moment. The boss is here and she is impressed. Well, y'all, it's your friend Jamie. Thank you for joining me today.